Today I'm out at a beautiful house here in West Palm Beach. This one right here with this beautiful platinum Paspalum grass. And the reason why we're out here is we installed this entire system and then they decided they wanted to install a drain field. And that's what all that is. So now I'm out here to figure out how we're gonna fix this. Let's get to it. I remember our main line coming through here. There's a couple of valves right about in this area. And then we came up a little bit further and cut across here with a lateral line to water this area over here. We didn't go under the driveway until well after this construction area, so that line should be fine. And I don't believe we took our main line through this area here. I believe it's way outside here. So let's see where they broke it. And this is the backyard. Totally green, beautiful. Hey, they're replacing our nozzles with something else. I wonder how many times they've done that. That head must have been replaced. Well, found the main break. I just can't get over this. It looks so beautiful. Just like the construction, it seems like this is where our problems begin. Those two T's that you see there were valves. These were 1-inch valves for 1-inch zones off of a 2-inch main line. The excavator must have taken both of these valves out, and now I've got to cap the line here so that we can still use the rest of the irrigation system until they're finished doing this and we can rebuild the irrigation system. All right, well, I went ahead and capped that main line so at least some of the system will work. This customer is going to lose about 7 zones because that's at the point where the main line got capped. It looks like the wires are in good condition. I'm going to have to replace those 2 valves and I'm going to have to replumb the main line in a few areas. So we'll get back to all that at a different point in time. Until next time, later.